I went on a hike today. Not just any type of hike, but a very thoughtful one. In this video, I'll be sharing you some of the thoughts I had while I was on my hike. Enjoy the video. Morning, guys. What's going on? Join me on my early morning hike to Mount Sinai. I don't know where we're going, but today I decided to come out here and enjoy some nature, even though it's so early in the day. But hey, man, say man.
9:30.
What's the time? 9:30 right now.
Actually that
We got here like 8 something. We were supposed to get here at 7, but
someone wanted to sleep in.
yeah, I know someone wanted it sleeping. So I'm gonna be showing you guys my walk and the views, and just enjoy the video. You feel me? Just enjoy it. It's gonna be very cinematic. So let's get it.
On my walk through nature today, I had a lot of thoughts, but one that was very relevant to where I am in life currently was about the next milestone I am trying to reach for. I currently work as an architect in Boston, but since working here, I haven't really felt happy or fulfilled.
Guys, I'm currently lost because my tour guide right now doesn't know where we're supposed to be going.
We might have to cross the water.
So I'm about to do some X Games right now. Let me flip the screen for you guys. If you see, but it's a nice view though, guys.
Is it because this field at this stage restricts my creativity, or is it because it doesn't pay well for the level of stress it brings? Yes, I know everyone says money doesn't bring happiness, but that's not the point of the video, because we're not actually struggling as it may sound. But it's important to do things for yourself and because you want to do them. Yes, the world makes you feel like you have to compromise yourself at certain points to get what you want, but I want to believe that that's not true. Some of my role models in life have stressed, be yourself, be yourself. Yet the world and the educational system is teaching everyone to be different from who they are. So this next chapter of my life is going to be myself, at least for now. I want to allow myself to do things that make me smile, do things that make me happy, and just create memories that I would look back on. Anyways, guys, please diversify. There's no one route to success. At least that's what I believe. But what do I know? I'm just a voice living in my head.
Guys, so just got back from my hike. This is the last place. I mean, that's the first time actually. Well, it's not the first time, but I feel like it's the first time actually like soaking it up. Anyways, guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video and the cinematic clips. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace. Thanks.